to weather. Kamaka Pili.
Aloha Pule, happy Sunday. A beautiful way to end off the weekend. Good thing is we're going to have these trade winds, which have strengthened a bit yesterday, leading to breezier conditions today, similar to what we can expect tomorrow, at least for Kaunakakai on Molokai. A lot of sunshine is expected. Those wind speeds, they're going to remain 15 up to 25 miles per hour. We can see that taking place from Honolulu to our Kapolei area here on Oahu with our west side camera. Those trees are definitely dancing thanks to those wind speeds. Unfortunately, we don't have any advisories. The only thing, aside from the small craft advisory that we have in effect, that will really just take us until Tuesday evening, but with the potential of being extended due to the breezier winds that we are experiencing towards the east end of the island chain. In terms of what we're going to be seeing in terms of ocean conditions, 2 to 4 footers will remain down on the south, 1 to 3 for the west, flat to 2 up on the north, 3 to 5 footers. A bump is going to start to fill in starting today, thanks to what was once Tropical Cyclone Hova and a lot of that energy moving in our direction, so giving a boost towards the east-facing shores. Now, Tropical Cyclone Hova is also going to be playing a part in our makani, or our winds. Fortunately, they will continue to breeze in from the easterly direction, but the closer the center of this storm system, which is now a remnant, and by the time it moves closer towards the islands, it will be more of a remnant of the remnant, but that's going to be disrupting the wind flow. So as we get through the middle of the week, you can expect our 15 up to 25 mile per hour numbers to dip down to around 5 up to 15 as we get into Thursday, Aloha Friday, taking us into next weekend. In terms of shower activity, we're really not going to be expecting too much as we progress through the first half of this week, or at least the week ahead, the 5 days. But as we get out of Aloha Friday into next weekend, Tropical Cyclone Hova, whatever does push through in terms of the remnants of that could be increasing rain chances across the islands. But right now, the models aren't much in agreement, so we will be keeping our eyes on that. For our Aloha Monday tomorrow, 91 degrees looks to be the high coming in from Kahului on Maui, and similar conditions to what we see on the radar right now, with just some patches of windward showers moving through. Some of that could be toppled over towards the leeward sides thanks to the up to 25 mile per hour sustained winds. That will take us through Thursday. Again, wind speeds will be tapering off, taking us into next weekend. A beautiful week nonetheless. Gina, back to you.